Okay, and I'm going to share this little recording with my people that are in the space of getting to the point where they got social media, they're integrating with the account with Go High Level. And we're creating content, doing keyword analysis and trying to create some great algorithms to work in your benefit to attract more leads online with social media. You can see that right now I'm connected with my, I don't know, 6 different social media platforms right now. And I got publishings and posts and they're scheduled out. I'm doing like 2 a day in a few different varieties with keywords. But here's where you need to go. You go into your account. Once you're in your account, go into marketing. It's about halfway down, and you'll see Social Planner right here in the top left. I'm already in it, and I'm already integrated, like I just said. So what you're going to see when you go here is you're gonna see this. This is where you would connect, and you have to do this. I mean, I can do it if you gave me the username and password, but you'd have to be available because all of them are going to have 2-party authentication. They'll probably want to text or email you a code to get in. So it's just easier for you to connect and connect. All you'd have to do is click on to connect Facebook, and because you're logged into your account with Facebook, you're probably going to be recognized in your browser already, and you shouldn't have to do a whole lot. But worst case, you might have to enter a username and password. And then it says connect, and you're connected. Do it for all of them, all that you can. I mean, you probably don't have Blue Sky. You don't probably have Threads. You probably don't have Pinterest, which is fine. But the top 6 you should be able to do. And then we can add more later, WhatsApp and all kinds of things. So that's a great start. Then we can start publishing and scheduling out short videos. And I'm going to train you how to do that. And because I'm doing it right now, going through an extensive evaluation of marketing keywords and algorithms with some of the social media platforms. So it's done right. But I'll show you how to do that later. But there you go. Do this. You're connected then. And then we can create content on a mass scale and get it out to the social media, driving them to your website. This is where the rubber meets the road and where the juice is going to happen for you. So hang on to your shorts over the next 6, 8, 9, 10, 12 weeks. We're going to make some things happen. So My Business Automated, Jeff Egbert at MBA-100K. Thanks.